going to be a good breakfast, good day. It'll be a good start, and I'm excited for it.
It's time to pack up, but let me show you around so you can see our camp last night. So I slept up there in the CVT tent, and then David wanted his own room. So we got the extension, as you guys can see in here. He has his own bed. This is where he's charging all the camera gear. I had one of these up there myself. This is where I slept. Check out that view.
Whoa.
Ken, do you mind showing us around your setup?
Yeah, of course. It's a little messy. Wasn't ready for a video, but let's go on up. Let's go on up. So one thing that's really nice about this new tent from CVT is the mattress. Plush, the top, it has a memory foam, and it was a great night. Nice night in the tent for sure.
We just finished packing up. It's time to go. My truck was showing me that I'm at half a tank, so I'm gonna fill up. We're gonna put these 5 gallons. Ken's gonna give me another 5, and we should be good to go. From there, we're gonna have 18 gallons left, so it's getting kind of tight.
Welcome to Nevada. Here we are.
Oh, there! Ooh. Look at that speed! So David and I we're talking about how epic this is starting to become, and all of a sudden, through the radio, we hear Ken go, "Dude, check out that antelope!" And we're like, "Where?" And we start looking through the horizon, and then we see this thing just charging, like going so fast.
That mountain range up ahead looks amazing. Looks like we're headed straight over it.
A company needs to be bold to get their freight across the continent. But great risks often bring great financial rewards. Enter entrepreneurs William H. Russell, William Bradford Waddell, and Alexander Majors. These 3 gentlemen identified a business opportunity in the Wild West. Although a high-risk investment, their company hoped to sign a lucrative contract with the U.S. Postal Service. Together, they constructed the 1,900-mile Pony Express Trail from St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California.
Mateo, this trail is so awesome. I'm loving this, man. Just winding back and forth.
150 relay stations were constructed. 500 Mustang horses were purchased. 200 men were hired to manage the stations, and 80 fearless riders signed up to begin the route of the Pony Express on April 3rd, 1860. The Pony Express ran at $5 per half ounce, $160 at today's rate, and transported mail primarily for the U.S. government, sending official documents back and forth for the military.
As I'm driving along, I'm trying to look at the horizon and just think, what would it have been back then? And honestly, I don't think much different. I mean, the places that we're driving through, it's untouched.
All right, we're going 50 miles per hour right now. See that rock?
No.
If we hit that rock, that would have been the end. There was parts where we had ditches, bumps, rocks, animals. We never knew what was gonna come up next. And then my favorite part, those flat grounds where we can just step on it and me and Ken will just fly right through. All right, guys, we had David take the wheel. Woo!
Getting a little squirrely.
He said it must be so nice to drive, so how do you
Feels
like it?
I'm racing rallycross right now. you. Oh, oh, oh!
Today's been a rush. We've gotten to some high elevation passes that have been incredible, but they've been slow. What's currently on my mind is, have we driven enough to progress on this trail? And I don't think we have. But what's in front of us is open trail of just smooth sailing.
Mail traveled 24 hours per day for 10 days through 8 different states. The Pony Express increased the speed of transcontinental communication by more than 500%. Riders carried correspondence through dire conditions, bravely speeding across prairies, mountains, and deserts with only the whip of the wind at their backs. One alleged advertisement for the Pony Express read, "Wanted, young, skinny, wiry fellows, not over 18. Must be expert riders, willing to risk death daily. Orphans preferred."
The sun gets you tired out here. The sun, it just drains you. All right, so we just got to our second camp spot. This is the second night that we're gonna be spending out here. Dude, it's crazy how much dust there is. Look at this ridge.
Yep.
Oh!
I think next time we bring a leaf blower, we can blow out the whole pack.
The mail route was operational 24/7. Each rider covered a 100-mile stretch, switching horses every 10 miles, sometimes riding 20 hours straight to reach the destination on time. The brave few riders faced freezing temperatures, dangerous wildlife, outlaws, limited supply lines, and hostile Native Americans.
For those of you that don't know, this is the trasharoo. Whoa. Trasharoo. A dustaroo, trasharoo, is used to put all the garbage you make when you go out. Wow, that's crazy. As you guys can see, picked up a lot of dust. Jesus. So, what we're doing here, I was gonna get one before the trip, but they were sold out. And we didn't have it in stock either. Sold out everywhere. So, I have my garbage bag and Ken has his in there. So, while we're cooking, we make sure that all the garbage gets put away. You're gonna drink that?
Yeah.
What are you gonna... David, you're so nasty. Drink that. You're that thirsty.
Try it, bro. It's sweet corn water. Good, right?
It's alright. It's alright, dude. It's alright.
All right, next we got to drink the pea water.
No, hell no. I'm not drinking sweet peas.
I wouldn't drink it.
One complaint that a lot of people have about their steaks in general is that they get too dried out. Some people's answer to that is put butter on it. I don't like the flavor of butter.
Got the butter.
Look at the color.
So what I do is for the last 3 or 4 minutes, I'm gonna cook it on aluminum foil so it catches all of the juice.
You know what happened when you said, like, dude, there's a cow?
Yeah.
We break. Right? You're like, dude, watch out, there's a cow.
Yeah, you're way
So
back.
I couldn't see anything. We stopped with David. We're like, where? And all of a sudden, all the smoke covers us. And then we're looking like this, and all of a sudden, the smoke is going away, and the cow's just staring at us. All right, we just finished dinner. It was incredible. Ken, you killed it with the steaks.
Ribeye on the trail in the middle of the desert. Couldn't have been better.
The desert.
And thanks for the veggies.
Yeah. And
Killed
then the
it.
ice cream, thanks to the Dometic fridge.
Oh my goodness. My goodness. Tomorrow we got a lot of miles to cover.
How many miles are we going to try to
At
hit?
least 100 miles. At least 100 miles. And
Hopefully we find the lake. I really want to swim in one.
yeah, I'm hoping for a great clear skies tonight. Looking for maybe some Milky Way shots.
That would be cool, man.
Awesome, man.
Well, good night.
Cheers, man. Cheers.